Hello all, welcome back to Code with Shantanu, and today I'll be taking you with a pong game. So over here we already have a backdrop called Neon Tunnel. If you go to the category space, you'll find it right here. So I'm just gonna get the sprites, ball, paddle, and a line. So trampoline, I want 0 to negative 175. That's the lowest point. So I want this to be also, it would start with I think 0 best. And y negative 165. Yeah, that's okay. And the ball I wanted to start at 0, 0. Okay. So we're going to do when green flag clicked, and we have a variable score that I already made before the video. So set score to 0, and yeah, and from the previous game we should always go to x0, y0, right? So we'll go to a forever block, right? We'll take always move 10 steps, right? And here I'm going to introduce a new block. It's called if on edge bounce. So let me show you what it does. It will just bounce, right? Now so now right, it's in the center. I want it to bounce at an angle, so it tries to come at the red, but it also bounces on the other sides, right? So right now the direction is 190. I'm going to give it a random direction, right? 56. Actually, better is I'll just give it a fixed 45. Good. Now let's go. See, look what it does. Okay. So now, actually, before this forever, imagine if you're playing a game, if it just started, it would be hard to control, right? So always before this forever loop, right, we'll have kind of a wait that will let you prepare. Let's say 0.3 seconds should be enough, I think. Right? Okay. Now, if on edge it will bounce and it will keep bouncing, right? So now we're going to have a few if conditions, right? Two actually. Number one is if it's going to be sensing, so touching, let's see, paddle, right? So now if it's touching paddle, then it will have to turn. Oh wait, let me check this out. Ooh, is the direction negative 45? Oh, it keeps changing. Okay, so here's, we're going to always point in direction 45 to make things clear. Okay, so now over here I want it Which way would make sense? If it were actually, yeah, so let's just turn it 45 degrees, and on this side this is actually touching line, right? And it's not supposed to go below the height of the paddle, right? So here what I'm gonna put is, what do you think I'm gonna put? It's supposed, if it's touching the line, then I want it to stop all. So I'm gonna show you where it is. Right here. So this will stop all the code, even if it's a forever, right? Okay. So now what I'm going to do, paddle. Oh yeah, paddle. Just one thing, that's another new thing I want to show you. When green flag clicked, I'm gonna have a forever loop. So remember I told you about pre-made variables? Where is it? Is it in motion? I don't remember where it is. Opinion sounds, events, control, man sensing, operators. Where is it? I can't believe it. Here it is. So always in motion, the paddle should be change x. Where's this by? Set x to. Now there is a thing called mouse x. That is the position where the mouse is. So the x position of the mouse, right? Let me show you now. And now if it touches the red line, the game will stop. And that tells you you've done, right? So now, one thing, what is the point of playing this game? It has to have a score, right? So let's go back to our ball. When it is touching paddle, what should it do? You have to go to variables and do change score by 1. Okay. Now, one more thing we have to do, right? We'd have to, well, there's one thing missing. Sound, right? So over here in sound, we have 2 sounds, right? Let's play this boing. Right? So actually this, give me a second. Yeah, so we have this boing sound. Actually, wait, let's see if we have a... Okay, so we'll have a sound called bounce, right? And when it's touching paddle, I want it to bounce, right? So we go to sound and play sound. No, we do start sound bounce, right? Now our code is all done. Let's play. Oops. Okay, bye, and I hope I'll catch you next time. I hope you subscribe and like my videos, and feel free to comment. Bye.